everyone, I'm Mia. Clearlighting has these new light connectors for your option. But how do you make the right choice among various connectors for a particular project? We created this guidance to help you out. According to different installation requirements, we will divide them into customized connectors and DIY connectors, these two categories. When the exact measurements are clear and you want to make a continuous fixture, the customized injection molded connectors, which are above IP67 rated, are the super option for your project. Since they are factory pre-made, it's very convenient for installation. Also, they can achieve the seamless strand effect with its neat and clean appearance. More importantly, the IP68 rated connectors are applicable for underwater projects. But what if the schedule of the project is tight and the cut lengths are not confirmed, or you have to do length adjustment on site? Here comes our DIY types. Due to different applications, we will talk from indoor, outdoor, and underwater connectors, these three parts. For indoor connectors, which are non-waterproofing, we have swivel and slip types. The IP20 swivel connector has a slim and sleek appearance and is easy to install. If application requires higher dustproof performance, we can switch to IP40 slip connector. Indoor use is not just limited to these two accessories, especially where there is a semi-open space or in a wet area. Our snap connector and socket connector are suitable for such applications. Both of them are IP67 rated, so they are ideal for outdoor use too. The snap connector is easy to assemble and applicable for various cable E6s. The socket one has a simple structure designed to achieve waterproof performance and physical dimension, giving you an extraordinary visual experience. The last one is our newly developed IP68 BioLedge underwater connector. It consists of 3 types of structural design so as to enable sufficiently watertight, and can even be used underwater to a depth of 5 meters. It's stainless steel material, so it won't have corrosion problems. In conclusion, if you know the exact length for your projects, we will recommend the customized injection molded connectors. They are durable and be able to avoid failures that are caused by improper installation. If require field assembly, you can choose the low IP rated swivel connector and slip connector for in-house projects. But when the ambient environment is humid or it's an outside application, the snap connector and socket connector are the better choices. And no doubt that IP68 rated connectors, which are waterproofing, are great for pool, sea, and other underwater project use. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.